The Greenworks 2000 PSI Electric Pressure Washer exhibits exceptional cleaning power, capable of delivering up to 2,000 pounds per square inch and 1.1 gallons per minute, making it an effective tool for heavy-duty household cleaning. The compact design of this pressure washer allows for easy maneuverability, while its 20-foot high-pressure hose and 35-foot power cord offer an extensive reach, enabling you to tackle any cleaning project around your home. This model is certified by the Pressure Washer Manufacturers Association, attesting to its adherence to industry standards and its reliability as a cleaning tool. The Greenworks pressure washer comes with a 25-foot pressure hose that provides greater reach without sacrificing power, making it ideal for medium-duty projects. The inclusion of a soap siphon hose allows users to switch effortlessly from pressure washing to using cleaning detergents, offering versatility in cleaning methods. Despite its powerful features, this electric pressure washer comes at a reasonable price of $174, and with a high review score of 4.4 out of 5, it is highly rated by users.